Si Ham, dumiretso ang dalawa sa storage room.
I'm so excited.
Cupid duo tayo.
Yes, sir.
New Year to you.
Huh? Banana
Let's make
pancakes? Thank you.
your favorite
Oh my
breakfast.
gosh. That's so cute. Yay, I'm so happy.
Kasi alam ko pong hilig po ni Seham yung pagkain. Kaya sana po maging masaya po siya na siya po yung napili ko at sa gagawin po namin.
Huh?
Breakfast?
Banana pancakes. That's so
Guys,
cute.
pwede masolo lang saglit yung
Yung
kitchen.
Go ahead.
hala.
Let's make banana.
I'm happy po, Kuya. It's nice. And he's one of my closest friends here sa bahay. So it was a sweet gesture po, Kuya. I appreciate it.
That's so
I
cute.
prepared that earlier
When I
today.
watch you make the pancake,
Yeah, ito yung plano ko. We make your favorite breakfast.
thank you, Zach. That's so cute. That's so cute.
So, step 1.
Egg. I have a rose from Zach Herrero. I'm going to cry. Don't leave me.
Yeah, you know why I chose you?
Why?
Because wala lang, ay nakaka-relate ako sa iyo.
Oh, relate how?
In terms of, wala. Feeling ko kasi ikaw yung female counterpart ko
That's
dito
so
sa bahay.
true. That's so true. We were both
Ang
shy.
pinagkaiba lang natin, mabait ka.
Mabait
Ako
ka
hindi.
rin naman. No, you're nice. din. You're one of my closest here. Like,
And yun, para tayong shy.
yeah,
Shy
at
type?
first. That's true. Though.
Your words are kinda comforting.
Aww, that's so cute.
Alam mo ba, nung first few nights, parang hindi ko pa ramdam na,
But now?
na-nominated ako. Pero nung palapit, nalulungkot na ako. Parang,
No, don't be. I know you'll stay. I know you'll stay.
we don't know ba?
I
Kasi
know.
sa labas, ano na.
No, I know it. I'm sure they love you. I know.
Yan, I need those words from you. Kaya talaga ikaw yung,
I know.
that's
No.
why I chose you.
I would choose you too
Wow,
if I had the chance.
thank you.
I don't wanna
Pero
cry.
this is part of the competition talaga.
I cry. Don't make me
Pero
cry.
tong pancake na to gagawin ko to sa labas. And sana habang ginagawa mo to sa loob, sana maalala mo ako. Don't cry! Ano ba, di naman ako mamatay.
Because you're talking like that.
Kasi hindi natin alam mangyayari. Malay mo, di ba? Don't cry! Sige, hindi na ako magsasalita.
Because you're talking like that. I don't want you to talk like that.
Kasi, okay, hindi na. Ganito na lang ako.
I don't want you to do.
Pero yun nga, that's the reality. Magkikita naman tayo sa labas. Ano ba?
You're not going yet.
We don't know.
No, I know you're not going yet, but I don't want to hear you say that.
Okay. Thank you for being my friend. Sana
Thank you
friends
for-
pa rin tayo sa labas.
Of course!
We're going to be
Stop
friends
talking
outside.
like that. Ayoko. But I'm happy we got paired as task leaders because we got
Get more closer. Even closer.
At first, I was so shy.
Yeah, I was so shy. Diba?
You were.
Because he was saying, like, I'll still support you even if I'm outside. Parang ganun. I don't like hearing stuff like that. Especially because he's one of my closest. And I got to become close to him. Parang na-attach na ako. I don't want to hear things na, like, you know, goodbye.